Badili. Badili.
Badili. SmartPhones. Welcome to Badili, Africa's premier e-commerce company, offering top quality refurbished smartphones. Let's take you on a journey through the store and show you the seamless buying process. As you step into the Badili store, vibrant banners catch your attention, proudly showcasing Badili's promise on any smartphone you pick at the store. A dedicated Badili technician warmly welcomes you and invites you to explore the impressive selection of refurbished smartphones available in the store. You'll find a diverse range of options, allowing you to choose the perfect device that suits your needs and your styles. Take a closer look at the refurbished phones which are on display. Each device undergoes a meticulous restoration process, ensuring they are in exceptional condition with minimal signs of wear and tear. You can trust that every phone is thoroughly inspected and refurbished to meet high standards. From Androids to iPhones, budget level to flagship and foldable devices, you get time to inspect a plethora of options to find one that caters to your unique preferences. If you're upgrading within Apple or from an Android to an Apple, your transition will be swift and enabled in the store. When you purchase a Badili phone, you receive a complete package. Alongside the phone itself, you'll find essential accessories such as a power brick and its corresponding USB connector. Additionally, a welcome note from Badili's CEO awaits you. Rest assured, your refurbished phone is backed by a 12-month warranty for added peace of mind. Before purchase, you will be reminded that Badili does offer flexible payment options to suit your preferences. You have the choice to pay in full or explore financing options. Trade in your old phone through the buyback process and top up the amount on your upgrade. You can also opt for convenient installment payments. For example, Lipa Mosmos, where you can pay in installments and reserve the phone until full payment, then pick it up. Or select Lipa Later for a down payment deposit and later give monthly installments. Once you've made your decision, Badili staff will carefully package your chosen phone, ensuring it is well protected for your journey home. For added convenience, you get the option for home delivery to ensure your purchase arrives securely. There you have it, a smooth and quick buying process. Visit Badili stores at Ambience Mall or Riara and explore the world of refurbished smartphones with Badili Africa. Until the next one, please like, share, and subscribe for more.